family. Tired of your driveway looking bland and uninviting? Do you want to spruce it up? This video will show you how to use faux plants and trees to transform your driveway into a stunning masterpiece. Hey, let me slow down here. This is an open collaboration. The title is Living the Outdoor Life. We have some fabulous hosts, starting with Design by Emma, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Home by Design with Marilyn, Jennifer at Home, SANDYLYNN'S Home and Garden, and Jean Home Decor. I would like to thank these ladies for giving me the opportunity to participate in this open collaboration. Make sure you all go by the playlist and watch everyone's video. Now, back to my video. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to transform my somewhat playful plain strawberry sitting area in front of my bay window into something a little bit more adult, but kid friendly, comfy and cozy evening oasis. Keep watching. This is what the front of my house currently looks like. This is the end of my driveway, and I did place a bench just to have seating. It's right next to my porch. So sometimes if we have extra company, everyone will have a seat. So I like these strawberries. I found them. I thought they were so cute. And they are trending and kids love them, even us adults. So I found pillows at Ross. This huge strawberry, I found it at Home Goods. But you know what? We're going to change it. We're going to leave some of this stuff and I'm going to adult it up just a little bit. So I have my large plant stands that I'm bringing from out of my house. These are Temu purchases. Y'all know I do love Temu. Temu, I love y'all. So these are the two tall plant stands that I normally have in my living room. And I have some shorter ones that I'm going to bring out as well. And we're just going to put them right next to these taller ones. And we're going to kind of give it a layered look. We're going to move my little doggy. He came from, that's the only pet we have. He came from Big Lots. Our Big Lots closed down, but he was so cute and I just can't seem to let him go. So here is the other planter that we're going to use. And planters do so much. They're a little bit expensive, but they just fill in so many spaces and they make things look elegant. They look intentional. So here is my boxwood tree. I think maybe it's a boxwood, but you know, it's a boxwood spiral tree. So I'm going to add this to my tallest planter. And in my house, because I have other faux plants that hang out, you're seeing me throw out my filling. It was some curtains that I don't use. So I didn't pull that out before I brought it outside. And so I've learned that, you know, you don't have to just fill it up with plants, fill it up with paper, bags, whatever you have. And it's actually pretty good storage if you don't have a lot. So I just use it there. Here are my round boxwoods that I also purchased from Temu. I will leave the link down in my description so you can go if you would like to purchase them. And so this looks very nice and layered. I don't have a whole lot that I'm going to do out here. And I just want y'all to know it's about 8:15 in the morning. I promise it's probably 85 degrees. I am so hot. This is my strawberry rug. I did order it from Amazon. And I don't know why I have my mat up under there. But sometimes if you want to take your shoes off and you don't want your feet just on the ground, you can put it on the mat. And I had it up under this bench, but it needs to be cleaned off. I don't do a whole lot of work when it's this hot. So my porch area hasn't seen me for a long time unless I am coming out to decorate, or either if it's evening. Everything looks pretty good, but not quite good enough for me. So here are my pieces of greenery that I did buy from TJ Maxx. I think I showed it in a previous video. And I'm just going to add it to my taller planters and let them cascade from the sides just to give it a more realistic look, and as if, you know, ivy or something was, or a vine was growing out of the pot. So this really does give nice curb appeal. My car is normally in my driveway, but when there are no vehicles there, my house is right at the stop sign. So you have to actually stop and look at my home before you can turn, and there's only one way to turn. So when you turn, you're still looking at the front of my house. And I did not clean up the front before I started, and my rug was, well, you know, it just had like flower petals from my crepe myrtle. So I'm going to sweep this area off. And y'all, by now I am so hot out here. It is scorching. Just say 5-10 minutes has gotten me, and just bringing all of the decor from outside was too hot. That's all I can say. It's just too hot. I am in the South and it's hot. So I'm going to move my strawberry back and try to get it placed around so that way it can still look like it belongs there. And I like the brightness of it. So what I would do in the evening is add those lights that come from the Dollar Tree that are battery operated, and put them down into the planters, and at night just turn them on, and it would be a beautiful, beautiful look. Unfortunately, I can't show you that on camera because by the time the video airs, it still won't be dark here. It doesn't get dark until 9 o'clock. And I didn't do this video early because I actually had been avoiding it because either it's hot or it's raining. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please come over and be one of my subscribers. Thanks to the host. Thanks to all of my current subscribers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy decorating.